The solid shown below was constructed by drilling 15 intersecting holes through a 7 units by 7 units by 7 units cube. The holes go all the way through the 3 pairs of opposite faces. The holes are perpendicular to the faces they go through. How many unit cubes are in the solid shown below? So originally I had a stack of 7 by 7 by 7 cubes, and I drilled 15 mutually intersecting holes going all the way through. The question is, how many smaller cubes were left behind, or how many smaller cubes are still a part of the solid? So let's see how we can solve this question. We're going to pretend the holes do not exist. Okay, originally there were 7 by 7 by 7 or 343 cubes. So let's write it down. So before any of the holes were drilled, we have a 7 by 7 by 7 block of cubes. That big large block of cube contains 343 individual cubes. What happens when you drill your first hole, let's say right over here? You're going to lose 7 cubes. I'm going to write 7 here. It goes all the way through. When you drill your hole through this point, you're going to lose another set of 7 cubes. The same thing goes on and on. So you're going to lose altogether 5 times 7, 35 cubes for the first set of 5 holes. What happens? Let's change our color to red. What happens when you drill a hole through this point? You're supposed to lose 7, but you're only going to lose 5. And make sure you get that argument. When you drill your hole through this point, you're supposed to lose 7, but you will only lose 5. Same thing here. You're supposed to lose 7, but you're going to lose 5. You're supposed to lose 7, you're only going to lose 5. Here, you're supposed to lose 7, you're only going to lose 6. Not 5, but 6. Let's explain this. This hole goes through 2 other holes with missing cubes. That's how you get 5, 7 minus 2. Same thing applies to these 4 points. And here, this hole or tunnel goes through only one other tunnel. So you're supposed to lose 7, but instead of 7, you only lose 6. Now, the top to bottom is the same story as the red numbers. It's going to be, I'm supposed to lose 7, but I will actually lose 5. I'm supposed to lose 7 here, but I will lose 5. 5 here, 5 here, and here. How many? 6. So I am losing 5 times 7, 35 cubes here. I'm losing 26 cubes here. I'm also losing 26 cubes here. I don't think green was the best choice. So we're going to write our final answer right here. From 343, I'm going to subtract 35, 26, and another 26, and my answer turns out to be 256. So that's our answer. 256.